Class 10, Chapter 9, Some Applications of Trigonometry, Module 3. Objectives. In this module, you will learn about angle of depression. Listen carefully, students. Last class we had discussed the angle of elevation. In this module, you will learn about angle of elevation and also angle of depression. Now the first question. From the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. So listen carefully the figure. Let AD is equal to 7 meter be the height of the building and EC be the height of the tower. Since AD is equal to 7 meter, so BC is also what? 7 meter. Let EB is equal to H meter. We need to find out what? EC. Now in triangle ABE, tan 60 is equal to what? EB, opposite by AB, adjacent. That is H by AB is equal to tan 60. So tan 60 value root 3 is equal to H by AB. So AB is equal to what? H by root 3. Put equation number 1. Now second right angle triangle ABC. Tan 45 degree is equal to what? BC by AB. What is tan 45? Yes, 1 is equal to 7 by AB. Now AB is equal to what? 7. Put equation number 2. Now from equation number 1 and 2, AB is same. So we can equate the right side. That is H by root 3 is equal to what? 7. Now H is equal to what? 7 root 3. So we need to find out what? EC. So EC is equal to the height of the tower is H plus 7. That is 7 root 3 plus 7. Take 7 as a common factor. Remaining root 3 plus 1 inside the bracket. Okay. Now the second question. As observed from the top of a 75-meter high building, lighthouse from the sea level, the angles of depression of the two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. So listen carefully, this one is a board exam question, same question itself. So important one. Now AD is the lighthouse which is given 75-meter high. Now the two ships are at B and C. Now two right angle triangles are there. First one in triangle ADC. AD by CD is equal to tan 45. So AD is 75 by CD is equal to what? Tan 45 1. So CD is equal to what? 75 meter. Now the second right angle triangle ABD or ADB. AD by BD is equal to tan 30. So AD what? 75 by BD is equal to 1 by root 3. So BD is equal to what? 75 root 3. Now we need to find out the distance between the two ships, which is what? BC. So BC is equal to BD minus what? CD. Now substitute that. BD is equal to what? 75 root 3 minus CD is 75. Take 75 as a common factor. Remaining root 3 minus 1. Thus the distance between the two ships 75 into root 3 minus 1. So here in this question root 3 value is not given. It is not given, so we need to write what? 75 into root 3 minus 1 itself. Okay. Now the next question. A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degree, which is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. Now, listen, let AB is the tower and BD is the highway. A man standing at the top of the tower spotted the car at D, and after 6 seconds the car is at C. Now the uniform speed, we can take it as x of the car, and the time, first one is 6 seconds. So we know the relation what speed is equal to distance divided by time. So distance is equal to what? Speed into time. So the distance from D to C is equal to what? 6x. Let t be the time taken to move from C to B. So the distance from C to B is what? Tx. Now consider the right angle triangles. First one, ADB. Tan 30 is equal to what? AB by BD. Tan 30 what? 1 by root 3 is equal to AB by BD. So AB is equal to what? BD by root 3. Put equation number 1. Now second right angle triangle what? ACB. So tan 60 is equal to what? AB by BC. Now tan 60 root 3 is equal to what? AB by BC. So AB is equal to what? BC root 3. Put equation number 2. Both side AB from 1 and 2, AB is same. So we can equate what? The right side, that is BD by root 3 is equal to BC root 3. When you cross multiply, BD is equal to root 3 into root 3, 3BC. Now what is BD? The total distance, which is what? 6x plus tx is equal to 3 into BC what? Tx. Now 6x is equal to 3tx minus tx, which is equal to what? 2tx. So x and x are there, both sides we can cancel. So 6 is equal to 2t. Now the time t is equal to what? 6 by 2 is equal to 3. Thus, the time taken by the car to move from C to B is equal to what? 3 seconds. Now the next one, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. So listen carefully, we know the word complementary. What do you mean by complementary? Yes, sum of the two angles is equal to 90 degree, which is called what? Complementary angles. Now listen here, we need to prove the height of the tower as 6 meter. We can take it as h. AB is equal to h meter be the height of the tower. C and D are the distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the point B. Now angle C and angle D are complementary. If one angle is Q, the other angle is what? 90 minus Q. Now first triangle ABC. AB by BC is equal to tan Q. So AB H by BC 4 is equal to tan Q. Put equation number 1. Second triangle in triangle ABD. AB by BD is equal to tan 90 minus Q. Now listen carefully. ABH by 9 is equal to tan 90 minus Q is equal to cot Q. Still listen carefully. In the trigonometry chapter, one deleted portion is there. That is a complementary angle. So tan 90 minus Q is equal to what? Cot Q. The complement of tan is what? Cot. And same as the reciprocal of tan is also cot. Okay. So tan 90 minus Q is equal to cot Q. Put equation number 2. Now, if cot Q is equal to what? H by 9, the reciprocal of cot is what? Tan. What is tan? 9 by h. So, when from 1 and 2 we can write h by 4 is equal to cot Q h by 9. So, tan Q is 9 by h. Now, cross multiply. H square is equal to 36. So, h is equal to what? 6 meter. Thus we prove what? The height of the tower is 6 meter. Now the next question. The angles of depression of the top and the bottom of an 8 meter tall building from the top of a multi-story building are 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. Find the height of the multi-storied building and the distance between the two buildings. So listen carefully. Let A, B and C, D be the multi-storied building and the building respectively. Let the height of the multi-storied building be h meter. We can take it as h. And the distance between the two buildings, we can take it as x meter. Now, AE is equal to CD, which is what? 8 meter. Next one, BE is equal to what? AB minus AE, which is equal to h minus 8 meter. And AC is equal to DE is equal to what? X meter, with the distance between the two buildings. Now consider the triangles. In triangle ACB, tan 45 degrees is equal to AB by AC. So 1 is equal to h by x. So first relation, what? H is equal to x. Equation number 1. Second triangle, in triangle BDE, tan 30 degrees is equal to what? BE by ED. Okay. So 1 by root 3 is equal to BE what? H minus 8 by ED what? X. So x is equal to what? Root 3 into h minus 8. Put equation number 2. Now from that equation number 1, x is equal to h. So substitute instead of x what? H. So h is equal to root 3h into 8 root 3. Now take a h containing terms on one side. Root 3h minus h is equal to what? 8 root 3. Now take h as a common factor into remaining root 3 minus 1 is equal to 8 root 3. So h is equal to 8 root 3 by root 3 minus 1. So here the denominator is irrational. So we need to change it into rational. So we multiply both numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. So root 3 minus 1 is the denominator. Its conjugate is what? Root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. We multiply both numerator and denominator. So 8 root 3 into root 3 plus 1 by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, that is 3 minus 1. Now h is equal to 8 root 3 into root 3 plus 1 by 2. Now 8 and 2 are cancelled, what? 4 root 3. So 4 root 3 into root 3 become 12. Now 4 root 3 into 1 is what? 4 root 3. Now from first equation, what? X is equal to x. So what is the value of x? 12 plus 4 root 3. So the height of the multi-storied building and the distance between the two are same. 12 plus 4 root 3. Clear? Now the last question, that is one extra question. Important one is this. The angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 60 meter above a lake is 30 degree, and the angle of depression of the reflection of the cloud in the lake is 60 degree. Find the height of the cloud from the surface of the lake. Now listen carefully here. The solution: C is the position of the cloud and D is its reflection in the lake from the point B. 60, which is 60 meter above the surface. AF is the lake surface. Angle of elevation of C is 30 degree and angle of depression of D is what? 60 degree. AB is equal to what? 60 meters. So EF is also what? 60 meter. Let the height of the cloud above the lake surface be h meter. That is CF is equal to h meter. Same as FD is also what? H meter. Now next, CE. If CF is equal to what? Total h, and EF is equal to 60 meter, CE is equal to what? H minus 60. Same as ED is equal to what? FD is equal to h and EF is equal to 60. So ED is equal to what? H plus 60. Now in triangle EBC, CE by BE is equal to tan 30. So H minus 60 by BE is equal to what? Tan 30. That is 1 by root 3. So BE is equal to what? H minus 60 into root 3. Now second triangle, in triangle EBD. So ED by BF is equal to tan 60. So ED is equal to what? H plus 60 by BE is equal to what? Root 3. Now B is equal to h plus 60 by root 3. Put equation number 2. Now listen carefully, students. Why this height, this CF and FD is same as h? When we stand in front of a mirror, we are at a distance of 3 centimeter from that mirror. So our reflection is also that same distance. So here CF is what? H. FD is also what? H meter. Now listen from equation number 1 and 2, h minus 60 into root 3 is equal to h plus 60 by root 3. Cross multiply. H minus 60 into root 3 into root 3, 3 is equal to h plus 60. Now 3h minus 180 is equal to h plus 60. So 3h minus h is equal to 60 plus 180, which is what? 2h is equal to 240. Now h is equal to what? 240 by 2 is equal to 120. Thus, the height of the cloud from the lake surface is what? 120 meter. Clear, students? So this one is a extra question which is also important one. Okay, thank you.